Hey everyone, I just wanted to come on here real quick and make sure we all knew how to navigate It's Learning to find the learning paths and to get to the video for the test review for Unit 2. The first thing that you are going to want to do is go to It's Learning and go to the Algebra 1 page. I'm going to switch it to a student view really quick. And now with the student view, you see that there are a lot of different ways that we can access my page. Right here, we can go to the plans and see what's on the plans, but the way that I'm going to suggest that you get to the learning path is this way. Click on the Resources tab up at the top, open the Unit 2 folder, and open the Unit 2 Learning Path folder. These are the learning paths for every day that we've been in school for Unit 2. So if your student is not here any day, they can always go to this folder, find the learning paths to make sure that they are caught up on the information. Today specifically, I wanted to point out that there is a test review learning path. You can go here, start the learning path, and it's going to give them a quick agenda of what's going to be happening with this learning path. And it'll open up a new tab after a few seconds. This new tab is going to have a blank version of the study guide. So if they did not pick one up from my classroom or they need an extra copy, you can print it from here. And then it'll take you to the Unit 2 test review video. You can press play. It's a little bit over 15 minutes long, but it goes through the entire study guide piece by piece and lets them review the study guide before the test. After the video, there is a test review key showing them the answer key for the entire test review. I didn't put this before the video because I wanted to make sure that they listened to the video and got the information. There's a quick reminder for Delta Math saying that they need to make sure that they have completed all their assignments, and then the learning path is now complete. So I just wanted to give everybody a quick heads up of how to find this video to make sure that they are prepared for the test. Thanks. Have a great day.